Hey, how are my booze hounds today? I'm just here trimming some fresh basil, and the reason why I'm doing that is because we're gonna make some homemade ginger hooch. It's gonna be good. Come on, come on, come on with me. All right, so we just came in from outside. I got my fresh basil that I just washed, and we're gonna set that there. And I got my wine. Of course I've got my wine. And I have some fresh ginger that I've been slicing, ready to go here. This is gonna be awesome. And what we want is a 1/4 cup of fresh ginger. Wow. Can I nail it or what? Yeah. Okay, so next, I've got this container here, and believe it or not, it's 750 milliliters, which is really, really surprising because it's the same as a bottle of wine. Is that deceiving or what? 750, that's 26 ounces. All right. So what we want to do is we want to take our ginger, 1/4 cup of ginger, throw it in our wonderful glass container with a sealable lid. I like that. And we're going to throw in our basil, our fresh basil. How much? I have no idea. This is one big wonderful experiment that I'm doing right now. But I'm guessing we just probably want mostly just the leaves, not the stems, because they may be a hair bitter. Okay, next thing, I've got some fresh black pepper corns. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next thing I have are some wonderful rinds of lemon. From one whole lemon, I'm throwing those in there too. Yeah. And as our final ingredient, I've got a wonderful fresh vanilla bean. And you know, they're a little pricey, but they're well worth it. I know you can buy them online for a hell of a lot cheaper than I paid. I just went to the grocery store and you get 2 for $10. Really? Who's the sucker here? Okay, I'm just gonna open that up, scrape some of that wonderful inside out. The, oh yeah, look at that. All the beans. Maybe cut it in half, pop her in. Same thing here. I think I got most of the first time around. Oh, there's lots, yeah. Get it all in there. Okay, next thing is our booze. Typically you use vodka because it's so neutral. But I got to thinking about this, and I'm thinking, I love the botanicals of gin. So why not use some gin and some vodka to make our ginger hooch? All right, here we go. Sweet. Fill her up. Just want to fill the whole damn thing. What we're looking at is pretty much 3 cups of alcohol here. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, perfect. And all we do, actually I gotta smell it first. Oh, hang on. Stir. Never stir with a knife, always causes strife. That's what my mother used to tell me. Oh yeah. Gin's poking his head through real nice. You want a container with a tight seal. How lovely does that look? That looks like a freaking Christmas present, man. I'm loving it. Anyway, what you want to do is you just want to keep this in a nice, quiet, dark place, and every day, just walk by, shake it up, And every 2 or 3 days, you want to taste it. See where it's at. Because that alcohol is just going to extract that ginger, extract that fresh basil, the vanilla bean, and the pepper, and the lemon. And we're going to end up with a wonderful, wonderful hooch that we're going to make. We're going to make a cocktail. Maybe we'll make a liqueur. Who knows? I haven't figured it out yet. Anyway, in about a week to 2 weeks, you've got yourself one homemade, wonderful ginger hooch. So I'll see you in 2 weeks, and we'll take it from there, okay? Well, you know, it's been 2 weeks now, and we got to try this. And if you notice, it's gone down a little bit. No, it's not the angel's share. I've been tasting it, and it's delightful. And I'm going to taste it one more time. It really is marvelous. Wow. The lemon is just cutting through like 90. Ginger, I wish would have maybe been a little more forefront. I'm tasting the vanilla as well. That's going to really work well in an upcoming cocktail. But first, we have to bottle it. And I know it's probably going to be a little cloudy with the vanilla bean and the scrapings and this and that. So I'm going to put a coffee filter in, just so that we can make it as clean can be, okay? And all we want to do is double strain it out here. It's going to take a little bit, but look how clear that is. Oh my God, that's wonderful. Beauty. You have to be patient. I mean, hell, we just spent 2 weeks waiting for this stuff. And you got to be patient. But it's a wonderful color happening right now. I'm liking it. And there you have it. A full bottle of hooch. I love it. Awesome. And you know, don't let the name hooch mislead you, because this is really, really elegant. It's delicious. Hooch typically is something low grade. This is not. Now that it's all strained out, I think we should taste it again. Yeah. Why? Because I like it. That's why. That is absolutely delicious. The gin is really, really toned down because we used vodka in it as well. And I can taste the vodka, I can taste the gin. I'm tasting a lot of lemon, maybe too much lemon. But we're gonna compensate and make a marvelous cocktail. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good. And as our final ingredient, I've got a wonderful fresh banana.
That's more wine.
Yeah, more wine.
Don't dirty your shirt.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. There's the freaking blooper, right? I'm on Patreon now. Yeah, for just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything. and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.